Welcome to Chumps, the bar where everyone knows your voting record. I am Dum Dum Doodlehead, your host of the Drunken Debates.
I flew here in my $4 billion helicopter and shot 12 caribou in the process. I can see Russia from my house and Putin was not wearing any pants. Yucky yucky poo.
Now that Joe Biden had a heart attack, I took over. Clintonomics 2.0 and Obamonomics will rule the nation of the American Union, I mean USA.
I am the Mormon Ronald Reagan with magic underwear. How freaky are my eyebrows? That's not Sarah Palin, it is Tiny Faye the Ninja Woman from the Saturday Night Live.
Hey well now, who cannot hold their liquor? You make as much sense as Jeremiah in a sermon. I am not a Muslim, I swear. I am from Hawaii and I surf, dude.
Well, don't I know, was I the vice president or president candidate? Math is way too hard, teehee, we need better teachers. I am Sarah Palin, not Sarah Filling.
Ish, alright, I am not drunk as much. I St. Patrick Day here, green beer makes me green piss, you tosser wanker. Did I say that out loud? Help me, I be hypnotized.
What a bunch of drunken politicians, no issues, just blah blah blah. No sane voter would vote for any of you and would rather vote for Mickey Mouse or Bender from Futurama.
I am so drunk, let me vote for Bender, much better than Fry or Zoidberg. I hope he is Republican, because after all he steals stuff and blames it on others, right?
I am not that drunk. I can still drink some more, pass me a few cold ones. I want to drink until the Republicans actually make sense if possible.